Okay. Ooh, child. Ooh, child. I think you guys gonna like this. I know you gonna like this. Child. See, that's why you gotta listen to your intuition. When your intuition is telling you to show up, when your intuition is telling you to get started, you have to listen to it. Check this out. Okay, so Dollar Tree already have their Valentine items out. These are so cute, these pillows. Okay, so these are $5. You and me. They also have these little teddy bears. Love at first bite. Rose scented. Ooh, it do smell really good, the rose scented. Now at first I was like, maybe it really don't smell like roses, but it do. They also have the plush, the unicorn. Is this a unicorn? I'm guessing it's a unicorn. This is really cute. They also have the cheese board spreader bamboo with the little knife. That is cute. $5. They also have the rose string lights. Child, $5. Really cute. Heart clip light set. $5. Look at this. This is cute. So if you're a person that you always decorating for the holidays and stuff like that, Dollar Tree is definitely one of the places to come to, because like for any holiday they always have items, like themed items. Okay, they also have this heart garland right here, which is $5, and this is pretty much how it's going to look. They also have the shelf sitters. How cute is this? Okay, they also have these little hearts. Child, heart table decor. All right, and this is $3, and they come in, let me see, 3 different colors. So they have the white, they also have the pink and red and white, and then they also have the full-blown red. Really cute. Oh, child, look at this. Honey, I'm so excited. One second. Okay, so first off, Dollar Tree also have to someone special. Okay, this is like like the teddy bear. Okay, the teddy bear rose, really cute. They also have All You Need Is Love. I know that's right. They also have Kiss Me, okay, which is $3. This is a sentiment dice decor. Really cute. Absolutely love this. And then they also have True Love. Nice. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have light up table decor, the XOXO. This is $5. And then they also have Be Mine, these little trays right here. Nice. And they come in 3 different colors. So they have the red, they have the white, and they have like the light pink. They also have, what is this? Heartstring lights. Child. This is fancy panty manty. Honey, Dollar Tree ain't playing. Okay, you get what I'm saying? They ain't playing. Wait, hold on, child. We forgot something. Okay, so I am here for probably like 3 days. Okay, that's it. I need dish detergent, and my sister, she needed a few items. Hopefully, oh yeah, they can have one left. Okay. Peace, family. Peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and your day is going to get better once your perception gets better. Your day is going to get better once your perception gets better. Word of advice. As long as you keep talking about your health and talking about how wrong things are going in your life, you could expect more of that, okay? I know at times we feel the need to tell people exactly what's going on in our lives because we want them to know, right? Sometimes we may do it for the attention, so people could feel sorry for us for whatever reason, okay? But one of the things I'm going to say is the more you focus on the lack of money in your account, the more lack of money will be in there. The more you focus on sickness, the more sicker you will become. All right. You have to show up as the person that you desire yourself to be. Okay. Today, at first I was like, you know what? Maybe I shouldn't do a haul today, a Dollar Tree haul. But then I said, nope. Okay, you're going to challenge yourself. And some of you guys may be like, but you got a Dollar Tree. When I tell you this month has been a character building month for me, I am not kidding, all right? But I still show up. You still have to show up. If you want your life to change, it's easy to show up when everything is working in your favor. That's easy. Anybody could do that. In fact, most people do that. But when the challenges occur, they don't show up. They get comfortable. Why? Because they believe that challenge is actually bigger than them, and it's not. So, since we got that out of the way, okay, from the background, and I already said it, all right, we are on our way to Dollar Tree, inside Dollar Tree. Let's go inside. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have Sending All My Love. This is like a mailbox, so to speak. This is really, really cute. So this comes in white and pink and also in red. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have the 2-tiered tray, $5. They have the lilac boom scented candles. Let's see how these smell. These smell good. You could definitely smell them. Really, really good. Oh, so these are $5. These are $5. So these are the lilac bloom. Really, 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 really good. Really good, honey. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have the picture frame, $3, Be Mine. And then they also have a dozen Belgian milk chocolate roses. Chill. And they also have the wreath up here. They have the little, what is this? The steak, the lawn steak that says love. Honey, Dollar Tree is getting fancy for me, okay? Really, really cute. Table runners, they have $3. Really, really cute. Okay, so normally I would go with the bigger game, but they don't have that right now. So I'm going to just go ahead and get this. This is $5. I really know that you're going to like this Dollar Tree haul. If I'm lying, I'm flying. And last time I checked, I don't have wings, honey. Okay, check this out. Okay, so my sister, she had wanted toothpaste with activated charcoal. I don't even see, well, I just see this one. This thing is so small. That is too little. You know what? I'm trying to see which one I should get her. You know, let's get the Colgate Deep Clean. Okay, so the Colgate Deep Clean, that was too small. So we're going to go with the Colgate Sparkling White. This one for her. Okay, so I'm also going to get her the medium Guru Nada. These two brushes is really, really good. I had brought these the other day. Oh my goodness. And I don't care for the soft bristle. I'm a medium girl, okay? Medium or hard, which I don't even think they make hard anymore. But we're going to go ahead and get these for her. Okay, so Dollar Tree still have like a few of the stocking stuffers, like this lip balm set. $1.25. You get 3 Beauty Intuition, and then we done seen these so many times. The blueberry pie. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, so Dollar Tree is coming through for me. So, Freeman, all right? So you guys know Freeman normally go for like $3 to $5, okay? The face mask. So this is Energized Jelly Mask for exhausted skin and mood. Essential oils restore, yuzu. Don't get me, honey, don't get me the lion, okay? All right, essential oils, okay, lemon energizes, dermatologist tested. All right, so this is $1.25. Then they also have the Freeman Refining Color Changing Clay Mask, which is also $1.25. And these are new because I haven't seen well, I haven't been to Dollar Tree since I don't know when. Okay, so they also have the Freeman Sleepy Time Whipped Mask for restless skin and mind. This is $1.25. Leave me on. Okay, really, really cool. All right, so you guys know, although Dollar Tree still they have their Valentine stuff out, they still have a few items left for Christmas. Well, they have actually a decent amount of items for Christmas, like these pop mitts. They also have these window decor, window decorations over here, pillowcases, the socks. So if you're a person you still looking to get some Christmas items, Dollar Tree still has them. Like these bowls up here, this is new, believe. Okay, this is $1.25 with the elm, with the gnomes. Honey, we gotta get elms from the gnomes. Okay, ornaments, they still have placemats. These are $1.25 for one. Okay, and I told you guys that they like the dupe for Pottery Barn. They also have more bowls up here. The little elm. Why I keep saying elm? Gnomes, hats right here. They also still have some stockings over here. So they still have a few items. Also, you know, the 35 gift tissue, $1.25. All right, so Dollar Tree. Honey, they going all out for the Valentine's thing, okay? So 1 dozen roses, and of course these are artificial. These are $3, okay? They come in 2 different colors. They have the white, look like a cream looking color, and then they also have the red. Okay, family, let me go to checkout. Let me grab my stuff and get to the register. Okay, so our total is $9.43.